How to zoom in and out of CapCut PC. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily zoom in and zoom out of your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your CapCut PC, import the photos or videos that you want to zoom into. So I have this video right here. Let's say if I want to zoom into this part right here, what I can do is simply go ahead and play the video and choose where I want to zoom in. So for example, after a few seconds, around 3 seconds, I want to start zooming on this billboard. So what I can do is add this scale right here, add a keyframe. Then from here, I want to zoom in, start zooming in up about right here. So I'll just zoom into this. It's going to add a keyframe automatically. What you can also do is simply go back here on this keyframe, add a positional keyframe as well. And then from there, you can go back to this keyframe and you can move the position around here. It's going to automatically add another keyframe for the position as well. So let's just do this and zoom in a bit more. All right, so once that is done, you can just play again. And let's say if I want to keep moving with respect to this billboard, keeping it on the center, I'm just going to do that. And let's say if I want to zoom in a bit more, I can do this and move it around here as well. All right, once that is done, so from this point on, I want it to just zoom out. So I'll add a keyframe here. And then what I can do is, once the keyframe has been added, I'll just move up about this point, and right around here I want to completely zoom out. So I'll just zoom out of this and make the scale 100%. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and move the position back to normal as well. All right, so let's see how the video looks. So from this point on, it's going to start zooming in and it's going to focus on the billboard. Then after that is done, it's going to move around. And from this point on out, it's going to zoom out up to this point and it's going to completely zoom out just like that. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.